Hello everybody, welcome back. We are here today at Disney Springs because we want to try out the brand new Star Wars VR experience that they have here. It just opened up and we've been wanting to give it a try, so I don't know what it's all about, but stay tuned, we're going to find out together. The Star Wars VR experience, what we know about it is that it has replaced the NBA experience. If you don't know anything about the NBA experience, it replaced Disney Quest way back in the day. I honestly was sick to see Disney Quest go. I thought it was like an awesome experience. It was a great place to go, especially when it was like a rainy day or something to do in the mid-afternoon. Go to a park in the morning. Hit Disney Quest maybe in the afternoon and then go back to a park at evening. Did you like Disney Quest?
I loved it. So did our kids.
Yeah, I mean, it was just like a fun thing. It was like a huge arcade. It had like virtual reality and interactive games and things to play as well. Don't get me wrong, it probably did need to be updated a little bit. I don't know why they got rid of Disney Quest. I personally feel like it was a mistake to get rid of it. They replaced it with the NBA experience, which was only open for a couple of months. And then COVID hit, and then now it's gone, so we didn't even get to experience the NBA experience. Quite honestly, I didn't really have any interest in doing the NBA experience because I just don't really care that much about the NBA. But maybe a lot of people do care about the NBA, so that's why they created it. I don't know. I don't even know if it was any good. But now they've actually gotten rid of the NBA experience, and they finally put something in there, which is only temporary, though. And it's a Star Wars VR experience. So we'll find out together what it's all about. But again, it's only temporary, so we wanted to make sure we did it. Still haven't announced any plans for like what they're going to be doing with the space after the Star Wars VR. But it's a huge building. So we're going to head over there now. I don't know if there's a virtual queue, if we're going to have to wait in line. We'll find out. Here it is, the old Disney Quest building / NBA experience. You can see it's right next to the M&M store. Right over from CityWorks, right there to the right. So Star Wars Tales from Galaxy's Edge. A couple of hashtags here.
Next time we come, we gotta do this.
So we got the lowdown. There is a standby line. They told us it would be about a 45-minute wait to wait in the standby line, which was inside the building. There was only like a couple people outside of the building. But there's a virtual queue sort of reservation system that you can scan like a little QR code and sign up for a reservation. So we did that. We said we'll come back in about an hour and we're going to stop here and grab some lunch because I'm starving. I kind of wanted to eat first anyway, so this actually works out for the best. So we stopped here at Blaze Pizza, one of my favorite, actually my favorite quick service pizza places in all of Disney, in my opinion. I think it's the best. So let's grab some food real quick and then we'll head back over. Man, look at this pizza. It looks awesome. It's huge too. It's like a huge entire pizza just for me. And then she's got a giant salad over there. Caesar salad with some toppings on it. We've actually done a full pizza review of Blaze Pizza. We did a Blaze versus Red Fire pizza, which is over in Universal episode. I'll link to it below, but this pizza is awesome. I love coming here. The food is so amazing. I love the fact that I can get whatever I want on my pizza at this place versus some other places where I kind of just have to like pick a pizza. I can actually get exactly what I want for once. So it's my favorite part about this. First impressions of walking in here, I can definitely see like the big, huge open space of what maybe would have been the NBA experience. Like the ceiling is really, really high up there. But it's interesting because it feels so not Disney Quest or NBA experience. Like it's literally been gutted.
Yeah.
But I'm going to assume that the structure of this right here probably hasn't really changed from the NBA experience. They've just like added these stand-up things and then like a meta like logo sculpture hanging from the ceiling and then like added some like purple LEDs and stuff to make it look more futuristic. But yeah, it's a pretty cool space. I'm anxious to get going on the actual experience.
It's really messed up.
You got the tray. You can toss the tray. You want to throw it somewhere? Yep.
Yeah.
Yep. Finger grabs. Now grab a taco. There you go, you ate it.
I heard
You
myself
heard,
eat it.
you heard crunch, yeah? Hello? Now you want to step to the right? To the right?
You did say you were going to be terrible.
There you go, let go. Let go. Oh, there you go. Now turn right. Turn right again. There you go, one more time. And press forward right there. Perfect. Let's get it in. Alright, now, see if, well, you can try to reach it from there. Try to reach that green bottle. And with your little finger, I have to be closer. Alright, so we have to go around closer. There you go, nice. Now drink, get your drink. Look it up. Alright, so you can throw that somewhere. Just throw it. Doesn't matter. Toss it. We shut it down lightly. Let's go to it. Let's turn it to the left. And let's go up these stairs to the left. Keep turning, keep turning. Right there. Let's go straight ahead. And now you don't have to throw with your arms. Just aim and then let the middle button go. There you go, yeah.
Mess up the back.
Nice, alright. You're gonna get it though, I got you. I faith in you. Alright, one more time. That's all good. Not your lane, it's the other lane. Try again. Give it another try. Press the button again. And there you go. Nice, okay. Hit the scoreboard. Okay. Yeah. With the focus, I see it. Oh, look at Just swing your arm around. Get used to it. That's gonna be your battle when you fight. You're gonna swing it out together. There you go. Alright, so look to your right. You're gonna grab the shotgun on the ground now. And your right hand.
This over here?
Yep, move forward and grab the shotgun. Yes, now reach out and grab that.
Is it going forever now?
Oh, it's there. Just gotta find it. Reach down. Look to your left. Alright, well, we can use your sidearm. Look to your waist on your right side. And grab your sidearm on your right waist. There you go, perfect. Alright, move forward, right there. And get ready because you're about to engage. Alright, well, that's your time. Alright.
I told you I'd suck.
Hey, no, hey, you made it though. You made it. Becomes easier with time.
Yeah, you
set the bar. Repetition.
You set the bar real low for me.
This was your.
But now if I do worse though,
Right.
you can hold that over me forever. Like,
True.
there's no coming back from that. I'll delete this whole video. What's gonna happen?
It never happened. What's recorded didn't happen. So the one thing she didn't get to in the computer was a drum set. So you move to the left. Let's get you to the drum set first. So I guess on free roam it is tricky. So
Yeah.
Free roam, yeah. So you're right. So now you have to turn. You're right.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have the you can eat the taco, put it up to your mouth. Crunch. I heard it. Alright, let's move to the left side of the room. Get you on the drum set. Move towards that red object in front of you. I don't know what you're playing, but it sounds good. Alright. Now we get done with that. You can drop it or drop a box room or whatever you want. There you go. Alright, so let's move back to the other side. And slash hammer and go in.
I'm kind of that way too. Honestly.
Really cool that. See, that guy was on Facebook. He wasn't paying attention. Caught a stormtrooper on IG. Very nice. Yep. Man, he can break dance.
Yeah, there's an R2 over there.
Yeah, you see it?
R2 style.
Right. go, nice. We trying to run now. Nah, get back here. Nice, good shooter, good shooter. Alright, that's your time. Good work, man. I like the sledgehammer, man. Sledgehammer work. Yes, indeed. Alright, welcome back.
Thanks.
Yes, indeed.
So what did you think about the VR experience?
It was really hard. If you don't do gaming, and I play like Donkey Kong, not in Tetris. That stuff, it's really hard. I'm not coordinated for that.
She was awful cute doing it though, I gotta say. How did I do? I mean, it looked like I was doing pretty good. Did you
It's like a professional.
did you
super annoying.
Well, it's interesting because they didn't give her the option because they knew she was new.
They knew I suck. Well, I came up and I was like, I'm gonna suck at this.
Yeah, they had like they had two modes for the game. They had like a teleport mode, and then they had a free roam mode. So teleport mode, you just push the joystick like up, left, or right, or down, and it would just like teleport you like a certain distance. In free roam mode, you use the joystick to actually like fully like smoothly walk around like in a normal game. But it does say that if you do free roam version, you can get motion sickness. And I'll be honest, I don't get motion sick, but in the beginning, I was getting a little bit like, my stomach was getting a little because I'm not quite used to the VR. So I was getting a little bit dizzy. I really was for a second. And then it kind of went away once I started getting into the action. So the free roam mode for me, for sure, definitely a good thing you did to teleport. But controls were pretty intuitive. I felt like it was pretty good. The experience was cool. You can actually buy this game. He said you can buy this game right now, and you actually, when you leave here, they will actually give you a $25 coupon for free, and that's, I think that's how much the game itself actually costs. So you can get the game that they have here for free.
But you have to fill out the survey.
Yeah, you gotta fill out the survey.
$25.
Yeah. So, I mean, if you have an Oculus and you want to grab this Star Wars Tales from the Galaxy's Edge game, you can get it for free. So come here and check it out. I thought the experience was a lot of fun, though. I've not actually done the Oculus. I think this is the new Oculus. I'm not sure 100% actually which one this is, but I haven't done this full experience before. So for me, it was really cool. We have done some Oculus type VR in the past, but this was actually a lot funner and better than I thought it was going to be. Did you like it?
I mean, it was hard for me, so it's fine.
It was hard. Yeah, she made it out of the tutorial,
Yeah.
and then got a few steps after that, and picked up a white ball off the ground, and then she was done. He asked me. He said, "Hey, do you want to skip the?" I went and played some drums or something, and then he asked me if I wanted to skip the darts and go outside. I want to do the darts, or I want to go outside. I was like, "Let's go outside." I'm done with the tutorial. I want to go outside and get some action immediately. It was pretty fun. I was getting to blast people. I had all these little like balls floating around, like the ones from the actual movie that assist me. I had a sledgehammer. I was getting to hammer people. I mean, it was pretty fun. I kind of want to get the game just because I want to see what the rest of it is like. So anyway, lots of fun here at the VR experience. I highly recommend it. It's here till I believe July, and then it's gone. But it's a free event, Disney Springs, and we did the reservation, and we just came right in. It was a half an hour wait or a 45-minute wait or do a reservation. So we just did a reservation when we got here, went and grabbed some food, came back, and we were good to go. And we were in here. We were in there in like 2 minutes, already starting the tutorial and getting going. So it's a lot of fun. No matter what age you are, no matter if you're good at games or not good at games, you can totally do this. And the other good thing is it's totally air conditioned in here. It feels awesome, and it's like 90 degrees outside. And there's just not a lot of people.
Yeah.
I thought there was going to be like a lot of people, but there isn't. So we hope you've enjoyed this episode. We will see you again tomorrow. Thanks for joining us. Until tomorrow, the noble way.
It's the easy way.
Bye-bye, everybody.